The next case regarding the laws of indices about the fractional power is this, that if I have x to the power of a upon b, x raised to the power of a upon b, then this can be written as x to the power of a whole to the power of 1 upon b. And this can also be written as bth root of x to the power of a. Okay, so this means that we can write x to the power of a upon b as equal to x to the power of a into 1 upon b. And applying the laws of indices, that is the third law of indices, we can write this as x to the power of a whole to the power of 1 upon b. And further we can write this as the bth root. Okay, so whenever the fractional power are given and we have to represent a quantity in terms of the nth root, in case it was the bth root, so we apply this logic. Okay, many a times we have been given to solve this quantity like 2 to the power of 2 by 3. For example, we have to write this quantity in terms of nth root. Okay, so idea here is this, that we write 2 as 2 to the power of 3 by 2 as 2 into 1 by 3. So this can be written as 2 square whole to the power of 1 by 3, or 4 to the power of 1 by 3, or third root of 4, or third root of 4, like this. The next is the 0 and 1 power. Okay, so when we have been given any quantity raised to the power of 0, it is equal to 1. Okay, so we can also verify this result. Verification of x to the power of 0 is equal to 1. Okay, so we can write x to the power of n is equal to x to the power of n. A number can be written equal to itself, no problem. Okay, after this I'm going to cross multiply and write x to the power of n upon x to the power of n is equal to 1, or x to the power of n minus n is equal to 1, or x to the power of 0 is equal to 1. Okay, so this result is valid for all numbers. Any number raised to the power of 0 is equal to 1. And next is a quite irrelevant result. X to the power of 1 is equal to x, or vice versa. So this means that if we represent any quantity having the power 1, so this means it can be written without representing the power. So x implies that it is equal to x to the power of 1, or x to the power of 1 implies that it is equal to x. Just like when we write an expression, algebraic expression, for example, x square plus 3x cube plus a is equal to 0. Consider this equation. So here the coefficient of x square is 1. Here the coefficient of a is 1. We don't write 1x square 1a. So whenever the power is 1, we don't represent the power. Actually, in deeper sense, this means that is equal to 1. Okay.